This is exercise 14.1, question number 8. A class teacher has the following absentee record of 40 students of a class for the whole term. Find the mean number of days a student was absent. Look at the table here. In the first column, number of days are given. Second column, number of students are given. Now observe the table properly. Now if you see, the first class interval is 0 to 6, then 6 to 10, then 10 to 14. So if you see the size of the class, size means what? Upper limit minus lower limit. If size you see, the first class interval, the size is what? 6. For the second one, upper limit minus lower limit, this is 4. This is 14 minus 10 is 4. 14 minus 20, which is 6. 28 minus 20, which is 8. See, everywhere the class size is different. So this we have to keep in mind. Okay, class size is different. Okay, let us see now how to find out the mean. Here, to find out the mean, I have chosen assumed mean method. You can use any method, no problem. Okay, but I have chosen it as a assumed mean method. In the first column, number of days already they have given. Number of students also they have given. We'll write down the class mark first. Class mark, it means that upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. Or you can say average of the class. So 0 plus 6 by 2. Which one will come as 3 here. Then here 6 plus 10. 16 by 2, which is 8. Then here 14 and 10, 24. So half of 24 is 12. Here 20, 30, 34. So this is 17 here. 20 plus 28, 48. So this is 24 here. Then 28 and 38. It becomes 66. So it will become 33. 38 and 40. So it becomes 78. Half of 78 is 39. So these are the class marks of each class interval, right? Now, here di, it means what? Xi minus a. So I need to choose a. From where I will choose a? Somewhere the middle value of xi. Correct? So these values are there, na? From here I will choose the middle value. Okay. So which one is the middle value here? 17. So my a, that means assumed mean, is 17. Now di means what? Xi minus a. This one is xi. So 3 minus 17. Correct? Divided by, no need to divide. Just we need to write down the subtraction. So here 3 minus 17, which comes as minus 14 here. Then 8 minus 17, which is minus 9 here. Then 12 minus 17 is what? Minus 5 here. Then this is 0. 24 minus 17 is 7. 33 minus 17 is 16. 39 minus 17 is 22. Okay. Now I need to do fi into di. This one and this one. The product of two numbers, which comes as here minus 154. Then 10 minus 9 is minus 90 here. Then 5 minus 7 here, 7 into minus 5, which is minus 35. 35, this is 0 only. Then 7 into 4, 28. 16 3s are 48. 22 ones are 22. Okay. Now if you'll do the sum of these three, which comes as minus 279, and sum of these three, which comes as 98. Now see, if you'll do the addition of these two numbers, what answer you are getting here? Minus 181. Right now, see, 9 minus 8 is 1. Here 27 minus 9, which is coming as 18, a negative sign. Okay. Now, sum of the frequencies, that means total number of students, 40 are there. Here we will use the formula for assumed mean method. Okay, So x bar, which is equal to A plus sigma Fi di divided by sigma Fi. We just substitute the values. Our A assumed mean was what? 17 plus this Fi di is nothing but what? This number minus 181. So minus 181 divided by total number of students 40. Okay, now see here, this 17 will be as it is, plus minus minus. Here 4 ones are 0 as it is, 4 fours are 16, 2 is there, 4 fives are 20, then decimal place 1 is there, 4 twos are 8, then 2 is left, and 4 fives are 20. Correct? Now because of this 10 which is there at the denominator, decimal place will move to the left hand side by one digit. So it will become 4.525. So we need to do the subtraction. See here, 17.000 minus 4.525. So here 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 2 is 7 here. Here 9 minus 5 is 4 here. This is 6 minus 4 is 2. So answer comes as 12.475. Right? Days. So mean is what? 12.475 days. I hope all of you understood this sum. Thank you.